Welcome back to InspireIgnite, your go-to channel for financial empowerment. Today, we're about to unveil the ultimate solution to your financial woes. Picture this. You're working round the clock, juggling multiple jobs, yet it's always a struggle to stretch your paycheck to the end of the month. We've all been there. The constant worry, the sleepless nights, the sinking feeling as you check your bank balance. Perhaps you're thinking there must be a better way, a way to earn money without sacrificing every waking hour. Well, you're not wrong. The answer lies in passive income, a concept that can transform your financial situation and free you from the relentless grind. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme or a promise of a lottery win. It's a strategic approach to generating income that doesn't require your constant attention. Are you tired of working tirelessly just to make ends meet? Well, worry no more, because we've got the game changer you've been searching for. The answer to your financial conundrums is here, and it's called the ChatGPT AI PoS Bot. This is not just another fancy name in the vast landscape of financial tools, it's a revolution designed to change the way you earn. Imagine a tool that works tirelessly for you day and night, making intelligent decisions, and the best part is, it doesn't even need coffee breaks. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. The ChatGPT AI PoS Bot is a state-of-the-art financial trading robot, leveraging advanced artificial intelligence to analyze market trends and execute trades on your behalf. It's like having your personal Wall Street expert, except this one doesn't take a cut of your profits. So how does it work, you ask? The ChatGPT AI PoS Bot uses machine learning algorithms to study market patterns, trends, and fluctuations. It's always learning, always adapting, and always ready to pounce on the next big opportunity. It's your vigilant guardian, your tireless worker bee, your secret weapon in the financial world. The beauty of the ChatGPT AI PoS Bot is its simplicity. It's designed for both beginners and experts alike. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newbie dipping your toes in the financial waters for the first time, this bot is your ally. It's user-friendly, intuitive, and requires minimal effort from you. All you need to do is set your preferences and let the bot take care of the rest. And the best part, it's designed to generate passive income. That's right, the ChatGPT AI PoS Bot works while you sleep, while you enjoy a day at the beach, or while you're busy living life to the fullest. It's your ticket to earning $1,000 per day without lifting a finger. By leveraging advanced AI technology, it analyzes market trends and executes trades on your behalf, all with minimal effort required from you. So, are you ready to change the game? But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from someone who's already reaping the rewards. Meet Alex, a small business owner from Ohio. Just like many of you out there, Alex was struggling to make ends meet. His brick-and-mortar store was barely breaking even, and the mounting bills were a constant source of stress. That's when he discovered the ChatGPT AI PoS Bot. Alex was initially skeptical. After all, who wouldn't be when you hear promises of $1,000 a day in passive income? But he decided to give it a shot, and boy did it pay off. Within a week, Alex started seeing a significant increase in his income. He recalls, "It was unbelievable. I was making more money while I slept than I did during a full day's work at the store." Fast forward to 6 months later, Alex's life has transformed drastically. He no longer worries about paying his bills or saving for the future. He says, "With the ChatGPT AI PoS Bot, I've been able to pay off my debts and even save enough for a vacation. It's been a game changer." But the benefits don't stop at financial gains. Alex says the best part about using the ChatGPT AI PoS Bot is the freedom it offers. "I now have more time to focus on my family and hobbies. I'm no longer tied down by financial worries. I feel liberated." Alex's story is just one among many. Countless others have found financial stability and freedom thanks to the ChatGPT AI PoS Bot. They've been able to turn their lives around and achieve their dreams, all while enjoying the peace of mind that comes with financial security. So why wait? The solution to your financial woes is just a click away. Alex sums it up perfectly. "I'm now making $1,000 per day in passive income, and it's all thanks to this incredible tool." Still skeptical? Let's take a look at some real results. You're about to witness the power of the ChatGPT AI PoS Bot in action. This isn't just a theoretical discussion, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of what this revolutionary bot can do. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, grab your cup of coffee, and check your financial dashboard. Lo and behold, while you were sleeping, the ChatGPT AI PoS Bot has been busy at work. It's been analyzing market trends, making trades, and generating income, All of this while you were catching those Z's. We're talking about waking up to $1,000 in profit every single day. That's right, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. It's the kind of financial freedom that used to be the stuff of dreams, now made reality by the power of artificial intelligence. And this isn't just a one-off fluke. The ChatGPT AI PoS Bot is designed to consistently deliver these impressive returns day in and day out. It's not about getting lucky with a single trade. It's about the steady accumulation of wealth over time. It's a long-term strategy that's built to withstand the ups and downs of the market. The ChatGPT AI PoS Bot is like having your very own personal financial advisor working round the clock to maximize your earnings. Except this advisor doesn't take weekends off, doesn't need sleep, and is powered by some of the most advanced AI technology on the planet. This isn't about replacing your job or your income, it's about supplementing it, about creating an additional stream of income that works for you, even when you're not working. It's about taking control of your financial future and creating the kind of wealth that can last a lifetime. So, are you ready to make the leap towards financial freedom? Are you ready to let the ChatGPT AI PoS Bot work its magic? As you can see, the ChatGPT AI PoS Bot consistently delivers impressive returns day in and day out. Ready to take the first step towards financial freedom? Here's what you need to do next. You've seen the potential, you've heard the testimonials, and you've witnessed the results. Now it's your turn to experience the financial transformation that the ChatGPT AI PoS Bot can bring about in your life. First things first, you need to be part of our community. Subscribe to the InspireIgnite channel. We're more than just a channel, we're a hub of financial empowerment. A place where you can find the latest and most effective strategies for wealth creation and financial independence. By subscribing, you'll always be in the know, always one step ahead. But subscribing is just the first step. To truly unlock your financial potential and start your journey towards making $1,000 per day in passive income, you'll need to learn more about the ChatGPT AI PoS Bot. That's where the link in the description comes in. Clicking that link will take you to a treasure trove of information. You'll learn about the advanced AI technology that powers the ChatGPT AI PoS Bot. You'll discover how it analyzes market trends and executes trades on your behalf. You'll see how it's revolutionizing passive income strategies for people just like you. But more importantly, clicking that link will take you one step closer to your goal of financial freedom. It's the key that unlocks the door to a life free from financial stress. A life where you're no longer working tirelessly just to make ends meet. A life where you're making $1,000 per day in passive income. So are you ready to take that step? Are you ready to transform your financial future? The choice is yours to make. The power is in your hands. Subscribe to InspireIgnite for more tips and strategies on building wealth and achieving financial independence. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to learn more about the ChatGPT AI PoS Bot and how you can start making $1,000 per day in passive income today.